Today I'm in the test kitchen whipping up some daiquiri ice with the Ninja Creami. Let's get started. To do so, we first need to create our base. Our base consists of some freshly squeezed lime juice, some citric acid, some sugar, some rum extract, and some water. We've chosen not to use food dye. If you like to have your base be green, you may use green food dye. The full recipe can be found on our website, or if you're watching this on YouTube, then the link in the description. Let's get started. First, we're going to squeeze our lime juice. I've gone ahead and already rolled this on the kitchen counter to make juicing easier. Next, we're going to place the juice in our pan along with the rest of our ingredients. Just give this a good whisk to dissolve the sugar, and then we'll let it cool. Now that the sugar has dissolved, we will transfer it to the measuring cup and let it cool to room temperature. Once it's cooled to room temperature, we will pour it into our creamy cup, and into the freezer it'll go for 24 hours. It's been 24 hours. Our daiquiri ice is nice and frozen, as you can see, and it's ready to be thrown into the machine. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the container, take the lid off. As you can see, there's a blade in here, which will spin around the daiquiri ice and sorbetify it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this lid off, plop it into the container, put the lid back on, put it in the machine, crank it up, hit the sorbet button, and we're ready to go. Go ahead and give it a test. Wow, that's super good. I can't wait for you to try it in your kitchen. Today, we're in the test kitchen whipping up some daiquiri ice with the Ninja.